And in today's video, I'm going to closely look for Xiaomi Flip camera. Before you start recording with the camera, you have to go to the settings and then hit picture quality to high, maximum. Of course, selfie setting is the same, mirror camera. Remove moles if you wanted to. Is it going to work? No, I'm going to find out. Adaptive telephoto, image stabilization should be on, auto frame rate should be off, video encoder, I'm going to stick with compatibility. You can do high performance, but it will compress your files, so let's leave it with 264. Dual Dolby Vision if you wanted to. Not every device is compatible with Dolby Vision. 4K 60, that's the maximum resolution for the smartphone. Internal microphones with autofocus, so it's great for filming in close-ups. Really cool. And if you want to vlog, this is how it's going to look like. Vlogging style from the main lens. This device is so small, it's super convenient to vlogging and stuff like that. Take a picture, you can tap on the screen to take a picture or take a video. Super convenient. I like it. And the front-facing camera also very wide in 4K 60, but there is no autofocus in front-facing camera. But it is wide. It's going to overexpose the sky. It will if I'm out of the frame. It will compensate, but you can barely see it. This is the better spot. You see, it's all white, yeah, but it will compensate quickly. And I think the firmware update is needed because it's just too bright. It doesn't have to be so bright. My face doesn't have to be so bright. Let me remind you that we are recording with the internal microphones for the maximum smartphone experience. Selfies are very easy to take, and look how good they are. They're very wide, and that is how you can get all your surrounding great for social media. Also look at the quality of the pictures. Now, that is one great flagship picture quality experience. Let me leave you with those pictures. I think those videos are too boring, so let me quickly show you what's in the camera. Assistant, super macro, watermark, and for the photo we do have a 20x zoom. More, we do have dual video, so two cameras at the same time, and pocket mirror. Pocket mirror is pretty cool because you can use it as a pocket mirror. Also for the outside screen. That is, look how wide that is. That is super, super cool. I just wanted this video to be a bit fun. So what did we learn? And we learned that it's great for selfies. You really don't need a selfie stick. It's such a wide angle. For selfie enthusiasts, this should be #1. Also, build quality is amazing. Such a beautiful device. I will put a link in the description for the original photo samples to download, and also for the device itself with a discount code for you. So if you are a selfie enthusiast, this device is #1 in the Flip smartphones. See you next video. Bye.